4x proven profit apps at a huge discount. Clone my proven system to earn up to $350.80 daily without hard work in just 5 minutes. Image. No tech skills, no upfront costs and no experience needed. Instant Profit Bot VSL. Get free traffic. Fast. 100% done for you campaigns. 100% automation bundle. Get free traffic to your websites. Get started in minutes. Works with any affiliate link. Zero hosting or domain. Grow your business today. Become a super affiliate. Image. Free gift. First 100 get the Supreme Edition. It pays us $46.91 hour. Worth $997. Grab Instant Profit Bot now and save $80. Usually $97 month. Today only one time $17. Money back guarantee. No questions asked. Limited time only. Here's the proof. When I plug my 100% done for you affiliate sites it's generating me massive daily commissions like this. 3 simple steps. So easy a little kid could do it. Step 1 - Login. Log in to the cloud-based app and enter your affiliate ID so you earn commissions. Step 2 - Done for you. Choose from one of the done for you affiliate campaigns. Step 3 - Buyer traffic. Click once to launch your campaign to 900 million buyers. Then repeat. Once we've activated Instant Profit Bot, the profits never stop rolling in. Grab Instant Profit Bot now and save $80. Usually $97 month. Today only one time $17. Money back guarantee. No questions asked. Limited time only. Dear struggling affiliate, here is the story of Wilson. Met Wilson. Wilson was a banker. He loves his job. He was doing well as a banker. He was able to buy a house car with the loan he took from the bank. L was living happily with his family. One day this happens. Wilson's wife feels sick and she was rushed to the hospital. Wilson tries to call the office. The phone went off. There was no battery. Wilson stays with his wife for an hour. He runs to the office to explain what happens. Wilson got to the office and met with his boss, and his boss was very angry with him. Wilson tried to explain but his boss refused to listen. He got Wilson fired. Wilson went back to the hospital to take care of his wife's condition. There was a problem. No money to pay for the house and the car he bought. He should not pay for the loan he took from the bank. He looked for a job, could not find one. He started searching online if he could anything. He finds affiliate marketing. He built a website and also creates a YouTube channel to promote the offer so he could make money to solve his problem. He waited for the site to rank, but he was making $100 to $200 a month. He gets frustrated that he wanted to quit. He explains his problem to L. Decided to help him. L gave him my proven system, which I'm going to use today. On the first day, he uses the proven system. He makes $350.80, which changes his life. If Wilson can make money with my proven system, you can make money too. Today, in November 2021, these 2,000 daily clicks are making us commissions every day. In fact, 11 off-the-road strangers also made a total of $7,122. Image. Introducing the Instant Profit Bot Bundle that pays us $350.80 daily. Imagine if there was a solution that could do everything for you, so that finding the ultimate traffic source was done for you. Finding profitable affiliate programs was done for you. Creating instant web pages was done for you. And driving free buyer traffic was done for you. In fact, everything to make daily commissions was done for you. Hurry, limited offer expires soon. Product launches tips and tricks. Learn some product launches tips and tricks inside. If you want to make money online, chances are you may want to do some freelance work, affiliate marketing, and the likes. But if you want to make an empire making over $1 million, launching your own product is the best choice. The challenge now is that how are you going to do it if you don't have any product launch experiences? The good news is that inside is a video tutorial that will give you some valuable product launch tips and tricks. Easily duplicate your WordPress site. How to easily duplicate your WordPress site. If you are an internet marketer, the tendency is that you will build a lot of WordPress sites to build your online business empire. But apart from that, we can't deny the fact that building a WordPress website is a time-consuming task that sometimes could be a problem. If you want to get used of your precious time, duplicating your WordPress site is the best technique to save a lot of time. Don't know how to do that? Then worry no more, as we will guide how to do it easily and effectively. Easily duplicate your WordPress site. How to easily duplicate your WordPress site. If you are an internet marketer, the tendency is that you will build a lot of WordPress sites to build your online business empire. But apart from that, we can't deny the fact that building a WordPress website is a time-consuming task that sometimes could be a problem. If you want to get use of your precious time, duplicating your WordPress site is the best technique to save a lot of time. Don't know how to do that? Then worry no more, as we will guide how to do it easily and effectively. Your first sales funnel. Learn how to make your first sales funnel. If you are an affiliate marketer or digital product owner who aims to have a hugely profitable product launch, having an effective sales funnel will help you close more sales to your product. Sales funnel has been proven and tested by many successful internet marketers, and if you want to become successful too, learning how to build yours is essential. The good news though is that inside this product is a video tutorial that will guide you on how to make your sales funnel for the first time in your internet marketing career. W+ for new warriors. This video series covers: what is Warrior Plus and what are its advantages? How to sell your product on Warrior Plus. How to list an offer and create a funnel. Other interesting features on Warrior Plus. Hurry! Sign up now to secure your discount. Daily affiliate commissions. DeFi affiliate programs x50. Click once to pick a proven niche. Click again to choose from 50x profitable affiliate programs. It's all done for you and preloaded into the app. DeFi free traffic x 900 million. Click once to share your site to the world's biggest traffic source, which gets over 900 million visitors a month. And all 900 million of these people are looking for the exact kind of products you'll be selling. DeFi bonuses x50. I've personally created bonuses for every top offer into the app and preloaded done for you bonuses for every affiliate program. All just 4 clicks away. DeFi affiliate training x1. You'll get a step-by-step training showing how to launch your campaign for the maximum results. 30-day no questions money back guarantee. We want you to make your purchase today with the utmost confidence. We are confident you will love Productnum, so are pleased to offer you a full 30 days no questions asked money back guarantee. If you are not happy with your purchase for any reason, simply contact us via support for a full and prompt refund. 50x affiliate campaigns on auto, worth $397. 50x preloaded affiliate programs, worth $1,297. Get unlimited free buyer traffic, worth $3,497. 100% done for you niches, worth $397. 60-day money-back guarantee, priceless. Step-by-step training, worth $197. Promote any website or URL, priceless. 100% done for you content, worth $597. Image. Still on the fence? Read on. Q. How does Instant Profit Bot work? A. This system gives you the exact affiliate programs and traffic used by top-earning affiliates, all preloaded into a single app that's easy to use. Q. Will I need tech skills or experience? Not at all. We've taken great effort to make Instant Profit Bot very easy to use. If you can get online and surf the internet, you're qualified. Q. Is there a money-back guarantee? A. Yes, you have a full 60-day money-back guarantee. There is absolutely no risk when you join today. The only risk is you pay extra if you join in a few hours' time. Q. What about maintenance costs? There are zero daily costs involved. With Instant Profit Bot, you don't need a website or any paid ads. This is as close to a pure profit model as it gets because there are no ongoing costs. Q. Am I limited to your $100 day campaigns? No, I'm giving you these campaigns because quite frankly the potential is limitless. I estimate there are over 1 million opportunities, and you can tweak my template to any affiliate link in around 5 minutes. Q. How do I lock in my discount? Click the button for instant access before the timer hits 0 and the price automatically increases. Image. Insert your text. This site is not endorsed by Google, Facebook or YouTube in any way. All trademarks and logo branding are the property of their respective owners. Income disclaimer. This website and the items it distributes contain business strategies, marketing methods and other business advice that, regardless of my own results and experience, may not produce the same results for you. Instant Profit Bot make absolutely no guarantee, expressed or implied, that by following the advice or content available from this website you will make any money or improve current profits, as there are many factors and variables beyond our control which may impact any given business. Primarily, results will depend on the nature of the product or business model, the conditions of the marketplace, the experience of the individual, and situations and elements that are beyond your control. As with any business endeavor, you assume all risk related to investment and money based on your own discretion and at your own potential expense. Liability disclaimer. By reading this website or the documents it offers, you assume all risks associated with using the advice given, with a full understanding that you, solely, are responsible for anything that may occur as a result of putting this information into action in any way, and regardless of your interpretation of the advice. You further agree that our company cannot be held responsible in any way for the success or failure of your business as a result of the information provided by our company. It is your responsibility to conduct your own due diligence regarding the safe and successful operation of your business if you intend to apply any of our information in any way to your business operations. In summary, you understand that we make absolutely no guarantees regarding income as a result of applying this information, as well as the fact that you are solely responsible for the results of any action taken on your part as a result of any given information. In addition, for all intents and purposes, you agree that our content is to be considered for entertainment purposes only. Always seek the advice of a professional when making financial, tax or business decisions. Guarantee terms. The conditional guarantee is not a promise of payout whatsoever. It's merely there to show you that we're confident about what we're offering. To qualify for the conditional guarantee, you must show clear-cut evidence that you've done the work and asked for help and we weren't able to solve the problem. Do not, however, guarantee specific results or rewards in any form. If Instant Profit Bot does not work as stated, we will return your payment. Refunds are always honored, so there are no risks. Please note, Instant Profit Bot is software as a service. Access is zip-linked to your payment. Refunding will cancel software access and render existing projects in your dash void immediately. Every effort has been made to accurately represent our product and its potential. Any claims made of actual earnings or examples of actual results can be verified upon request. The testimonials and examples used are exceptional results and don't apply to the average purchaser and are not intended to represent or guarantee that anyone will achieve the same or similar results. Each individual's success depends on his or her background, dedication, desire and motivation. As with any business endeavor, there is an inherent risk of loss of capital, and there is no guarantee that you will earn any money.